Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are at Salada. Salada is located in La Marcal between the small town of Oliva and Pego, which is a natural park in the municipality of Oliva. Salada is a thermal spring whose crystalline water temperature ranges from 21 to 23 degrees centigrade. Therefore, it is the perfect temperature to take a dip all the year round. So, we will be inside the water again to see how warm the water is. Join with us. It is surrounded by green sceneries, farmlands of oranges, and the fresh ambience of the green environment. Very lovely, very beautiful, quiet and peaceful. Many people come to have breakfast at the restaurant nearby, overlooking the pool, enjoying the nature, and having a wonderful time. That's what this area offers in the morning, all throughout the day. Hello, Hundi. Billiards snooker well in Namun and Boca. Yang tang ay kay ani. Ni asat change may July tha ani to Boca. July tha ay hitwan ni hi asat turun mayam mo alum Boca. Chuwain helai hun hi alun may ni July tha le August tha chuan tin outui hi enge lung deuh pup reng awang hianin min tuipui a in nuaman tia tin tuna chuan a khoche vel baka tourist tam hun lai na tourist an tam chuan hela area zong zong hi tourist in an khat phi na ni a khoche vel lai hi chuan mian tam bak lawa. There's a saying that the water contains all sorts of minerals which has a healing properties for the skin as well. Hey, atui har ania tui lo put so na kamo. Ta chang khan anun luang swat ani. Fresh water angani lawa. Ang dewa temperature ni ngai renga. Kasi ka po. Di in Sianan, in Bolnan, ang hong ani.
Pero tiene tracción a la puerta. No, que tiene atrás una moto.
You can enjoy this natural pool, Salada, both in winter and in summer, as the water stays warm all throughout the year. Set with my swimming gear, my swimsuit, my headgear for diving inside the water. my swimming shoes as well. Have a look. That's my swimming shoes. So the water inside it's rocky, but with all these shoes, it's very easy and comfortable to move around. Hola. ¿Cómo está? Muy bien, ¿no? La gorda como es. Hola. Hian atui hi luang thazelin ta Mediterranean tuipui afin ani